in reduction formula. If un is equals to integration of 0 to pi by 2 x sin x over n dx, where n is greater than 0, then prove that un is equals to n minus 1 by n into un minus 2 plus 1 over n square. So this is the question. Solution. Given thing is un is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x power n dx. This x. So now here, if un is equal to this one, if you write un minus 2, un minus 2 will be integration of 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x power n minus 2 dx. That is, here un minus 2 also contains the x. So we cannot use integration by parts to prove it, because un minus 2 also contains x. If you use integration by parts, x will be removed. That's why here what you do is, don't use integration by parts, but write un as un is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. Write down sin x power n as sin x into x times sin x into sin x power n minus 1 dx. Now use integration by parts. You consider this as the first function and this as the second function. Now use integration by parts. So this is equal to first function, that is x into sin x power n minus 1 into integration of the second function, that is integration of sin x, that is minus cos x. The limits are from 0 to pi by 2, minus integration of differentiation of the first function. So differentiation of the first function means, see, differentiation of this x into sin x power n minus 1. So differentiation of the first function is u rule to differentiate it. That is sin x into sin x power n minus 1 into differentiation of x is 1 plus x into differentiation of sin x power n minus 1 is n minus 1 into sin x power n minus 2 into, by chain rule, differentiation of sin x is cos x into dx. So next, x into, so sorry, sin x u rule, yes, sin x in, yes, this is u rule, yes. Now differentiation of the first function. Next, integration of the second function. Therefore, integration of the second function. Second function is here sin x. Therefore, integration of the second, integration of sin x is minus cos x. So that is minus cos x into dx. So here into dx. Now, because of here cos x, this, if you substitute upper limit, this becomes 0, this total thing. Because of sin x, you substitute 0, this becomes 0. Ultimately, this vanishes, this term vanishes. So this is equal to, here minus minus plus, that is plus integration of, the limits are from 0 to pi by 2. Limits are from 0 to pi by 2. Sin x power n minus 1 plus n minus 1 into x into sin x power n minus 2 into cos x dx. Now, if you open the bracket, this becomes 0 to pi by 2. Here cos x into sin x power n minus 1 into dx plus n minus 1 into integration of 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x power n minus 2 into cos square x dx. Now, here to solve this integration, if sin x is f of x, then this cos x will be f dash x. Therefore, this integration will be t dt form. Therefore, t square by 2, that is sin x power n minus 1 plus 1 by 2. Therefore, sin power nx by n, limits are from 0 to pi, plus n minus 1 into, this is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x power n minus 2. This cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x dx. Now, this is equals to, if you substitute upper limit sin 91, therefore 1 by n, minus lower limit, if you substitute, that becomes 0, therefore 1 by n. So this is 1 by n plus n minus 1 times. So here this is equals to integration of 0 to pi by 2. If you separate it, that is x into sin x power n minus 2 dx minus of integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin power n minus 2 x into sin square x, that is x into sin power nx dx. Now this is equals to 1 by n plus n minus 1 into, so this one is equals to un minus 2, because what is un? Un is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin x power n. If you replace n with n minus 2, then you will get this one. So this is un minus 2 minus the second one is un, which is equals to un. Now from here, so this is equals to un is equals to 1 by n plus n minus 1 into un minus 2 minus of n minus 1 into un. So take out n minus 1 into un left hand side. Then in next step un plus n minus 1 into un is equals to 1 by n plus n minus 1 un minus 2. So this is equals to, this is n into un is equals to 1 by n plus n minus 1 un minus 2. So from here un is equals to 1 by n square plus n minus 1 by n to un minus 2. So this is our required result, hence proved. So that is what we need to